My friends are taking me out to dinner today. I don't deserve them. For today's hair, I'm thinking about just doing a simple blowout. I ran out of my old heat protecting spray, so I got this new one. Chi 44 Iron Guard Thermal Protection Spray. That's a pretty badass name. Paraben free. We'll see how it works. Smells amazing. If you're into that. Just running it through my hair as best as I can. Grab a clip, section out your hair, clip it up, grab a blowout brush and a hair dryer and get to work. Take out your next section. I think with your sections, a good rule of thumb is your section should be about the same width as your blowout brush. It really depends on the density of the hair. I don't know, I feel like when I'm pulling my hair to blow dry it, it feels like my hair is made out of, this is such an old reference, it feels like my hair is made out of the VHS tape material, like the cassette tapes material. I don't know if you ever like undid it and then you like slid your fingers across, like that squeaky, weird feeling. I don't know if I hate it or if I love it or even if I have an opinion on it. That's just how my hair feels right now. Oh, how I remember the days when the hairdressers used to have trouble because I had so much hair. I would have never even tried to blow out my hair then because that was so much work. My hair is blown out, it's not frizzy, and it feels nice, and it smells nice. I would say that this worked pretty well. I'll show you the final blowout with the makeup, and I'll be right back with the finished look. This is the final look with the blowout. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye-bye.